Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. So on this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Alright guys, if you want to support the channel, make sure that you check out my ebook, www.The Man Who Set Himself on Fire. The link is in the description of this video. Also guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also smash that bell notification. Let's jump right into it. This is a review or a review of the Power Air Fryer Oven. It's one of my most popular videos on this channel, but I notice a lot of people are having trouble frying chicken in it, getting that nice crispy crust on the chicken. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how I do it, my secret. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so what I have right here, I have some Tyson thighs and I also have some Tyson wings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some wings and I'm going to bake this for the kids, but I'm also going to throw a couple of thighs in there. I'm going to fry it in the air fryer so you guys can see that it's just not the wings. So the first step I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the chicken. All right, we'll do that first. All right, so now I got my chicken washed and now I just got to select what type of season I want on my chicken. Now I usually use this Tony Saturated Creole season, Louisiana, or I use this Slap Your Mama. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Slap Your Mama, representing to season my chicken up really good. And after you wash it, of course, you know that the season is going to stick better. Just really season it up. I mean, you can use your own season, whatever you like. That up in there nice and good. All right, I have the chicken seasoned. Now full disclosure, I am a messy cook, so don't tell my wife I was in the kitchen without her being here. Now this is what I use sometimes. Again, I go to the store and I pick out some pre-select batter, or I just use regular all-purpose flour and season it. This right here give it a little bit extra crisp to it, so I always use a dry batter. So go ahead and just pour that up in here. Alright, then I'm gonna go ahead and coat my chicken. Okay, so again, you just want to make sure that you go ahead and batter it, coat it, get it nice and good. And after you had it coated, alright, now here's the secret. Here's where the trick come in there, guys. Now you see, you notice I got some cardboard laying out right there. You can use some plastic bags or whatever. But I go ahead and I take my rack and I spray my rack with some coconut oil, Louisiana coconut oil, or you can use any non-stick, low-fat oil that you choose. You just want to get a nice little coating on there. Then I want to reach over here and I want to grab my chicken, right? And I want to place my chicken on there. Now to get your chicken nice and crispy, you take the same oil and you just lightly coat it. See the little dry spots? A lot of you getting that dry, those dry areas, that flour area on your chicken when you take it out. Just coat it nicely. Flip it over, do the same. See the dry spots, lightly coated, lightly coated. All the little flour spots, you want to make sure that they lightly coated. All right. And you want to repeat that process. Do all of our chickens, put all our chicken in our batter, take it out and coat it, and then we're going to put it in the Power Air Fry Oven. All right, I told you guys I was a messy cook. Go ahead, get that over. Not too bad though. All right, so I'll show you guys what I have up in here. So I have a tray of wings, 2 trays of wings, and a tray of thighs. All right, go ahead and put the thighs to the top. Get the wings in here. Put this into the bottom. Get that right underneath there, nice and even. All right, let's go ahead and take a look up and down. Bottom rack, middle rack, top rack. Thighs, 2 things of wings. Now look at all that chicken. That's a lot of chicken, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 chicken wings and 4 large thighs. Go ahead. Now I'm gonna turn up my temp to 400. And set it to chicken. Turn my temp up to 400, and then I'm gonna take 40 and turn it to 45. Now here's the trick, guys. Once it gets started, I'm gonna let this go for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take the thighs and I'm gonna put them to the middle tray. Take the bottom tray, put it to the top. Then I'm gonna let it go for another 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rotate the trays again, and then I'm just gonna let it cook out. About 6 minutes past, we're gonna go ahead and rotate it. And you can see, you can look at the chicken right here. You can see it's not done, so we're gonna go ahead and rotate it. We'll go ahead and put the bottom one to the top. Put that middle one to the bottom. And because these thighs are big, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the middle, all right? We're gonna start it up, we're gonna rotate it one more time. But this time we're gonna wait a little longer. And I'm looking at how it's cooking. Use common sense. And you always can peek up in there with your light. Turn your light on and off. You wanna peek up in there, right? But we're coming along just dandy. All right, guys, I got about 2 minutes left, and what I want to do, I want to check my chicken. All right, so here are the thighs right here, and you can see the thighs are nice and crispy. You can see that. All right, but then I want to check my other chicken also, and I can see that it's not quite crispy right here. So what I want to do, I want to go ahead and I want to put these wings to the top. I want to check the bottom one. You can see they're not quite done. Go ahead and put them right there. These are done. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the bottom. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add another 10 minutes and I'm good. And it depends on the thickness of chicken that you have and stuff like that, that would dictate whether or not your chicken is done. In 10 minutes, we'll be good. Ah, there go that golden chicken. Ooh, how good that look. Go ahead and take the other rag out. Oh, look how pretty that chicken look. And for those big old thighs that we had, y'all, look at that, how pretty that look. All right, let's go ahead and check the temp, make sure that they're done. You guys know that this is a tech channel. Go ahead and pull the app up for you guys right quick. Solid Thermo by Tenergy. And all we gotta do is just simply put the probe in there, and it reads it on there. And also read it right there, and it's reading 187, 190, 192. So that chicken's done, man. All of that nice chicken. Let's see how crispy the chicken is. That mic right there. And there you have it, guys. You're done. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.